Here I have Asus Zenfone 10, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option recovery mode. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery you can navigate using volume keys and select using power key, just like in the previous menu. And you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, wipe data factory reset, power off, and yeah. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.